Some Y marking systems require that the Y labels are in one column. Y labels. The default for AutoCAD Electrical is 2 columns. However, it's easy to change. Select Display Setup, change the column value to 1. The Y numbers are in one column. If you select Y labels and OK Save As, you can save the Y label as a set file. This means that next time you run the report, if you click Format, choose the set file, it will remember that you require 1 column. If you don't choose a set file, it will revert back to 2 columns.